Niggas just love to move their mouth. Car with the gadgets, y'all with the annex. All of that boss. I said, man's old school like video cassette. Jansen, Janet, E.O. Palace. £50. Now the penny ones hit me down. For the wrist, more than 50 foul. Flashy.
Yo, that's fun. Yo, this thing is so easy to jump. Bro, this is freaking rocky, dude. Bro, we made it to the top. Yo, this is pretty freaking cool, I'm not gonna lie. On top of a freaking ski hill right now. And I can see if someone comes here, because the road is right there. Yo. Bro, looking out the entire freaking city right now. Let's see if I can get down here from the back. I think, yes, we can. Let's go. Look at this, man. There's a back entrance up here. Just go around it. But bro, I know there's a walking path here somewhere. I think that's the one. Bro, the street lights just came on. I've never been on this like path right here. I've never ridden here, but this is a pretty cool path. Oh fuck, that's a bug. I got a bug in my eye. And actually stay there, so I could pick it out. That's kind of mad, you know, so many bugs. At least I'm happy. I mean, I'm in Sweden and not in like Australia, where every bug kills you. So that's nice. bikes like this are the best, dude. Supermoto versus Skatepark, let's go. Oh, that was pretty sketchy. We're in a Skatepark right now. Let's drop in. Let's go, because we can. This time of the year, going out cruising on the bike at like 11, 12 at night, it is the best. Like, it is the best because it's so light outside. I think it's like 11:30 right now, and the sun is like setting in the distance. It is pretty like warm outside. I think it's like 20 degrees outside. So nice, man. Let's see if I can pull a long wheelie on this straight. Freaking straight, man. That is crazy. Yo, it's just so nice. I don't want to go home, but I have to because I'm running out of fuel.